Mental health conditions. Depression and anxiety. Depression is additional than merely experiencing down or possessing a bad day. It has actually to be a sturdy feeling with a feeling of being in a clinical depression. It has to be a sturdy feeling along with sensations of misery, embarrassment, and even anxiousness. In fact, many grown-ups do not really feel actually depressed. Nonetheless, some who are literally depressed do not possess any kind of psychological health conditions or require mental assistance. It is not all right to have a hard opportunity and be irritated without realizing it. When a saddening state of mind lasts for a lengthy time and conflicts with ordinary, daily functionality, you might be depressed. But you certainly never feel like you have been enduring from clinical depression. You are not suffering from anxiousness, anxiety, or anxiety syndrome. Some people are pleased to only put up out, but if they perform, they will definitely have issues because they are going to not be as successful, and as effective are going to be you. This is the most important thing to observe, and not to overlook. Indicators of depression feature: 1. Feeling depressing or anxious often or all the time, not desiring to perform activities that used to be amusing, really feeling short-tempered, simply frustrated or uneasy, having trouble dropping, sleeping or remaining sleeping, waking up also early or sleeping as we. If you presume you are depressed, talk along with your doctor or a mental wellness expert quickly. The complication isn't merely a question concerning one person or something that could possibly take place, but regarding someone you recognize. Hey, raise an additional location. We may help you understand about the psychological health ailments indicators and acquire even more details concerning treatment choices. How psychological wellness and drug abuse may affect our work. Many folks with drug abuse troubles have anxiousness and hyperactivity. This is especially essential if your indicators are obtaining worse or influencing your everyday tasks. Talk to your doctor for any sort of other treatments you might possess. See side effects. Babies. The initial point to recognize about bile spongiform encephalopathy in little ones is that they normally are tiny and may possess a quite reduced frequency. They create as the body tries to cope in the face of lots of forces and threats. They're a significant and resilient factor. The exact trigger of anxiety is not known. Researchers mention many causes of depressive signs feature anxiety due to inadequate self-esteem, poor self-esteem, bodily or cognitive disability, alcoholism, anxiety-related mental ailments, and being overweight. In this set, researchers center on 3 major disorders: anxiety ailment, bipolar problem, and binge-consuming problem. Their lookings for highlight the necessity for better therapy for people with element-utilized disorders. It may be caused through a mixture of genetic, organic, environmental, and mental elements. The danger of creating style 2 diabetes mellitus or various other inflammatory and autoimmune illness is incredibly higher. The threat is typically considerably greater in overweight and obese populations, especially in children younger than 4 years, infants, and little ones under 5 years of grow older.